Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are vital for your overall well-being, playing a key role in maintaining a healthy heart and reducing inflammation throughout your body. They also significantly contribute to optimal brain function and support clear vision. Since your body cannot produce these essential fats, it's important to get them from your diet or through supplementation. You can find omega-3s in various sources. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent for EPA and DHA. If you prefer plant-based options, flaxseed, chia seeds, and walnuts offer ALA, which your body can convert. For those who struggle to get enough through diet alone, high-quality supplements are a convenient and effective way to ensure you meet your daily requirements. Determining the right dosage is important. Most healthy adults can benefit from 250 to 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily. However, individual needs vary, so it's always best to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have existing health conditions. Be aware that very high doses might interact with blood-thinning medications, so discuss this with your doctor. To get the most out of your omega-3s, consider taking supplements with a meal that includes some fat. This significantly improves absorption. Proper storage is also key. Keep your supplements in a cool, dark place to prevent oxidation and maintain their potency. And while you're optimizing your health, why not enhance your living space? Check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to bring more convenience and enjoyment into your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.